Right, today we're discussing if Cider.ai is a secure Chrome extension or even more than secure, as it clearly provides some privacy. The truth is, many AI tools we're seeing these days don't offer much privacy at all. It's also true that for most uses, we don't really need privacy with these tools. But there's a certain type of user who prefers more privacy with AI tools. The reality is Cider.ai obviously tracks the links you open, as it needs to interact with the pages you visit. It's online. I've seen various responses on Reddit explaining it's a Chrome extension that's not private and therefore not secure. Also, some people claim it asks for personal info and tracks the URLs you visit. You interact with models like Gemini, which compromises privacy. Here's a recommendation if you want. For more privacy, you can use Jan.ai. They suggest alternatives like using a VPN, but obviously Cider.ai doesn't offer privacy, okay? Just like many online tools that aren't local, right? Once something's not local or private, your privacy is likely at risk. I wanted to cover this info as it's relevant, concluding the Cider.ai guide. Remember, in the description there's 2 free AI ebooks on learning and then 8 N automation. Check them out.